Hello, we're going to make a video, and this video will demonstrate transferring a file from a remote Windows machine to a directory in the ECE 363 project directory space. Okay, first thing we need to do is come down and open the WinSCP program. And I'm going to go to a machine ECE-server 01.cc.lehigh.edu. I'm going to go in with my username ECE demo1. You would use your ID to do this, your ECE Teaching Lab Linux Platform ID, which most likely will be the same as your Lehigh user ID. And then the password will be your ECE Teaching Lab Linux Platform password. Okay, and this should connect me in. And I'm not sure why that didn't connect me. Let's try this again. Let me try typing my password in again. There we go. Must have my password wrong. So what we can do is to get to the project directory, these directories auto mount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the little drop down box up here, and I'm going to click on this. It says /root. This is the top directory. And I'm going to go down here to where it says proj. And you can see there is no ECE 363 Spring 2024 project directory underneath proj right now. That's because the ECE 363 Spring 2024 project directory auto mounts. It only mounts on the machine when it's requested, and if it's not used for a little bit, it unmounts. So because of that, we have to do something to make that directory mount. And the way we can do that is if we come up here to commands and then come down here to open terminal, and we're going to get this message saying that the SFTP-3 session does not support the command you requested. Just go ahead and click OK, and it will open a dialog box here. So what we're going to do is we're going to say change directory to /proj /ECE 363 -spring 2024. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit enter. And the sole purpose of doing this is to mount that project directory. So I'll hit enter. And I'll hit execute. And then I'll hit close. And when I close that, when I did that, put that command in, and when I hit close, it actually came up and mounted the directory so that we can now proceed even further down. Now, the only directory that I actually have permission to do anything with my user ID is ECE demo1. So I'll click on ECE demo1, and I'll demonstrate that I can do drag and drop. Just, left click on this file, come over here and drop it, and it will transfer it up. And I can also go the other way. I can transfer things back. If I have something on the server, if I want to put it down on my Windows machine, I can drag it back down the other way. For example, like this VCS sim directory. I can take the whole directory and drop it, and it will go ahead and copy it down. Now this will take a little bit longer, and I'm not sure. So I'll say skip all. So it's going to, any errors I guess it gets, it'll skip that. And this is a little bit bigger directory. And it's almost done. So that transferred the whole VCS directory from my server down to my Windows machine. So you can go back and forth. Now the other thing you can do, um, the other thing you could do is on this, I'm on ECE dash server 01, I think. Yeah. The other thing I could do is I could log in with, say, for example, my X2Go or some other means of connectivity, and I could go in and I could just do a change directory using the other connectivity and do a change directory into /proj / ECE 363-spring 2024, and that would mount the directory too. You wouldn't have to do this command uh, open terminal thing. Um, because when you would go into the /proj directory, uh, if you went into the /proj directory after mounting that directory with another method, you would see that when you went in there. So you would see the ECE 363 Spring 2024 if you went in and accessed that directory using another connection method. So anyways, I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, please contact me. And that's really all there is to getting that directory to mount and being able to graphically move things back and forth between your Windows device and the remote Linux machine. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and thanks for listening.